In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the FVSCHEDULE function in Excel, which is a great function to use if you're trying to see how your final value would be impacted if you have different annualized interest rates. So let's just say I start with $1,000 and I'm putting this in a high interest savings account, but the interest rate has been declining in recent years. To calculate what the final value would be in 2027, for example, I can do FVSCHEDULE. And the first argument is the principal, so how much money am I starting with? In this example, it is $1,000. And then comma, the next argument is the schedule, which corresponds to an array of the annualized interest rates that's going to be applied to this principal. No, it's really just dealing with annualized rates in this example, so with 5% 2023, 4.5% 2024, 4% 2025, and declining through 2027. When by closing the parentheses, press enter. In this example, by the end of 2027, I'll have $1,217. But this is also nice because you can kind of toggle these different interest rate forecasts to see how your final value would be impacted. So for example, let's just say this isn't 3%, this is called 3.5%. I'd have another $5 in the account in this example. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.